Hey guys, we're here now and about City Tourism Building and we're going to claim now the prize sa Chinese New Year photo contest. So let's go! So we are able to claim now the prize. So next natin pupuntahan guys is punta kami sa office kasi may contract akong pipirmahan. Wow! Contract yarn! Wow! So may raise akong natanggap. So we need to sign it for official documentation. So let's go to Matuna Town Square! So we're here now in Matuna Town Square! It's been a while. So, dito tayo to sign some contract. So, actually, last month pa siya dapat na-signan. Pero, hindi ko nabasa yung email. Pwede pa. Let's go to our office. Yan. That's our office. The only building in MTS. Ayaw, building center. Yo, we're here sa 7-Eleven kasi dituloy yung contract signing natin or need to wait for email reply ng office. So yeah, balik na naman tayo soon once na-receive ko yung email, but we're here now in 7-Eleven to buy something. May pakita ko sa inyo guys, mga hugot. Let's be sweeter together, you melt like chocolate, like a charot. The best.
Murag,
the best.
Murag sayaha ka nagdugay, basta ako ang kadaligay.
Bahalag ako ang masakitan, basta ikaw ang magaba. Lisod ng ganito on the way, kanapakayang I will stay. Agoy! Hello guys, welcome to Davao Coastal Road. Ayan, yung dulo. Kami galing, sobrang layo. Let's go. Finish line. Yay, we just received some prize from or gift certificate from Fly Ace Corporation. Thank you. Yay, today's activity is mag-grocery tayo gamit yung gift certificate na binigay for my weekly grocery. So punta tayo ng SM. Let's go! Hey guys, so we're here now in Freshco, SM Lanang. So tapat ng SM Lanang GT. And yeah, enjoying some freshness. Miss ko to for how many weeks. So let's go and try! Let's stay fresh and healthy guys. Happy birthday, Luffy! Happy birthday, Luffy! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Luffy! Love you! Love you! Blow! Hey! So we're here in Abrisa Mall and we are currently waiting for the queue kasi sasali na naman ako sa TikTok dance contest dito and it will win us 3,000 gift certificate from fashion brands dito sa Abrisa.
Wow!
So meron pang naka-on queue na sasayaw and the place is really cool, by the way. Very peri-peri. So we'll just need to wait na makasayaw sila and then after them sayo tayo. Kakaba pa kasi maraming tao. Look at that place. Ayan. Those are the one that waiting in queue na sasayaw. So let's see what will happen. So I'm done with the shoot sa TikTok challenge nila and sobrang daming tao nanonood. I was not able to take a behind the scene kasi si Mimi yung nag-video. So yeah, watch for it and I upload it in my TikTok account. Let's go! In after TikTok, kain muna kami! Yeah! Let's eat! Yo, we're here in Mr. DIY and nabudol po tayo para kay Lufit at saka para kay Jangjang. Ang mura lang, guys. Yes, ang daming budol. Grabe. Grabe, guys, nabudol ako ng 300 pesos nang wala sa oras. Oh my god. But good thing is may damit na sila Loflok at si Gangjang at saka si Mingming. Surprise pag-uwi! Picture. Oh. Ang ganda. We are going to play now some arcades and games. Let's go. Yeah!
Kauna ya, kauna na, kauna. Kana naka-blue. Ala, Nintendo. Wala na.
We have these cards, tickets, and we will redeem it now. So this is the price we redeem. Year of the Lion.